Hello lovely people, I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I'm sharing with you how I prepare my green sauce, whether for achake or anwamo or your rice. Have you tried this green sauce? It's my easy to go or easy to make sauce. It's so easy to make and it doesn't take long, like when you're preparing the black chili sauce, that is shito. It's so easy. You can use any ingredient that you have at home, those that you can have, just skip it and use whatever that you have. When I say it's easy, you understand. Peel everything that you want to peel, the ginger, the onion, peel the skin off and cut everything. Make sure you have cleaned everything with clean water, and then you cut them into pieces for it to make easier to blend. Just pour in your oil and then your seasoning salt and any spice that you want to add. That's it. And then put it in your cooking pot and let it cook on low heat. Ta-da! It's so easy when I tell you. Yes, try this sauce and you will like it. So easy. After blending, use any favorite cooking pot that you want to cook this one in. So the vegetables was more, then I divide into two. There's the first batch, I'm blending the other one, and then we go home sweet food. Adrianepa Egedan Kasa. Keep on watching for more Kenyan food recipe. Follow this page and like, share with your friends, and then let's build this page together. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. Enjoy.